Hello guys, welcome to Pop It of 2.0. Our sponsor, these are our sponsors. The quiz will have 20 questions. Question number 5, 10, 15, and 20 are star marked and will be used in case of ties. Time will be considered in case of persistent ties. Six teams will be taken to the finals and please don't Google. Okay, first question. In 2018, the US Navy started using X in their submarines. They started doing so after junior officers and sailors said that the controls were heavy and complicated. In addition to being hard to manage, they were also expensive, costing out $38,000 as compared to X's cost of about $20. The training time also decreased by the introduction of X. I need X in the answer. And just as a hint, look at the word junior officers and sailors. Next question. X patented this musical instrument support in 1985. It can be attached to many stringed instruments. It helped X to play entirely new sounds. ID X and tell me exactly how this will change the way the instrument will be played. Just look at the image, it's pretty easy to guess. And next question. This is how X looks from space. It has an uncanny resemblance to Y. It was joked that X has an abundance of something Y also needs. What is X and Y? So X here is a city, and Y you have to guess what Y is. Next question. Question 4. Wake Up is a Christian prog rock album X released in 2015. It consists of speeches by a widely followed person at various locations from 2013 to 2015. X was born in Argentina and has worked as a chemical technician, a bar bouncer, and a janitor in his her early years. But we mostly know him for something else. I want to know who X is. Just see the first line, that's a pretty easy hint. Next question. People around the world abuse a combination of psychoactive drugs during music festivals and raves. A combination of these is ecstasy plus shrooms plus LSD called dash flip. It is believed that after ingesting such a strong psychoactive substance in combination, you experience the truth of the life, the real knowledge of the world, and you understand the difference between the right and wrong. What is this combo called? Just see the last part of the question. That's a pretty easy giveaway. Next question. I was really impressed by the way Trump talks, makes his speeches, and behaves. He's a really interesting guy. So one day, a friend of mine just told me, why don't you make a song on him since everyone seems to be talking about him? He says, honestly, I never expected it to become this popular. I never did it to gain popularity either. It's just that he's so popular and that I thought of doing the song about him. This Indian pioneer continues. Who is who is talking about his maniacal masterpiece here? Next question. Marvel once owned the rights to the word X. As improbable as it sounds, Marvel attempted to trademark the word X in comic book titles after publishing Tale of the X in 1973. By the time the trademark was approved 2 years later, the series was coming to an end. Marvel lost the trademark in 1996, but it wasn't long before it was once again trademarking the dash dash dash, registering the words Marvel X to protect its comic series of the same name, IDX. Next question. Dash is commonly used to refer to the 9 in cross 19 mm Dash firearms cartridge designed by George Luger and introduced in 92 for the Luger pistol. It dash may also refer to the shape of the projectile. Its profile is notably the first development of the full metal jacketed lead bullet, displaying a parabolic shape to its nose to be a highly aerodynamic cross section and maintain its supersonic velocity, and therefore accuracy at ranges in excess of 200 meters. The bullet, on loss of supersonic speed, became immediately unstable and began to tumble, creating a larger wound channel, and in doing so bypassed the intent of the ruling in Geneva Convention banning expanding bullets in warfare. When broken down into two words, it is a part of a Latin phrase, si vis pacem, dash dash, fill in the blanks. Next question. So I want to know whose bio this is. It's a pretty easy guess. The following is a clip from That 70s Show. What was the inspiration behind the set? Okay. A 1992 movie, now considered a classic, was highly criticized when it was announced, forcing the movie to be finished in another movie. It is common to all these people. What movie? This style of animation gets its name from a mundane object, dash dash. This is because the movement of the joint-less limbs resemble the free movement of the blank. It's a household item. I think most of you would be able to get this. Next question. This is a work by Michelangelo. In the next slide, the costume of a character was inspired by her. The character itself is somewhat of an anomaly in the movie as it is set in the future, but this particular character is only seen in myths and legends. Much like in the myths, this character is shown to be highly intelligent and deliberately manipulative. However, her intentions are for the common good. Give me the character specific to this painting and the movie. Next slide. Okay, so just see the character. I want the character specific to this. There were a lot of these characters before, but the most famous one was the one that inspired Michelangelo's work. I need her name. Next question. Shown in the picture is a 142-room hotel in Colorado made in the colonial revival style. This served as the inspiration for a fictional hotel and was used as the filming location in a three-part miniseries revolving around the events that take place in the aforementioned hotel. Which hotel or where do we know it from? It's a very famous one. Connect this. Question number 16. But can Dash do what Dash do? Above is a lyrically genius line. It refers to and ridicules the fact that pro rappers are generally more successful than more lyric focused ones. By talking about two prominent rappers from each case. Fill in the two blanks. These are two different people. You have to give those. Next question. Okay, so in this question, you have to answer what has been blanked out in the last panel. What 1994 pop culture phenomena connects the given people? The third single from Maya Arulpragasam's second album, Kala, called Jimmy, was produced using an up-tempo pop electro tune with disco influences by modifying orchestration, instrumentation, and beats. The song's lyrics portray her being invited by a British journalist on a date while covering a genocide tour across nations in Africa. Jimmy was well received by contemporary music critics who called it having a 1970s style pop sound. Who or what exactly is Jimmy? Put Funda. Next question. So for the final question, there will be a clip played for you. This is a small part of a song called Mark II the late 2000 from his late 2000 projects. Near the end, you hear a set of notes that were later used in another project from the 2010s. Who is the composer and what was the second project?